Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change primary sport on Strava app. So if you also want to change primary sport on Strava app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Strava application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do is tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see three icons: profile icon, search icon, and settings icon. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon that is right next to the search icon. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see your profile information over here. At here, you'll be able to see the option for edit. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see your first name, last name, city, state, primary sport, and bio. Tap on the option primary sport. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see two options, running and cycling. Right now my primary sport is running. Tap on the cycling option to change it. You can see over here your primary sport is changed. So that is how you change primary sport on Strava app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.